Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. What's going on? What's up, my JASMY family, my DGens? All right, what's going on across the market right now, guys? Check it out. A little bit of a DCA opportunity. I did do some buying today. I put my buy alerts over on the Patreon, and I put it on the YouTube for the member side, so you guys can see what I bought today. So yeah, had to take advantage of the situation, guys. Absolutely, right? Let's have a look over at JASMY. What do we got going on? So down 5.1% on the day, up 1.4% on the week, up 55.7% on the month, and up 458% on the year. Rank 69 right now. Very nice number there. Market cap 1.76 billion. So, I mean, JASMY's just been kind of ranging, really. It hasn't really done much. The volume is down at 178 million. So you know that there's no buying, there's no selling, there's no trading, there's just no action really at all, right? Nobody's really doing anything. Maybe everybody's on holiday freeze in terms of trading and but me personally, I am buying the dip today. Let me know in the comment section if you guys are buying the dip. I want to know if you bought the dip and what dip did you buy? Which altcoins did you stock up on? Or did you just buy Bitcoin, right? Let me know in the comment section, guys. I'd love to know. If we go and we look at the JASMY chart, all right. So we rejected off the 4-cent level, just like I said. We closed above the 30-day SMA yesterday. It was great, but then currently we've dropped below the 30-day SMA. But if you recall, you can go back to yesterday's video, and you can see that I said when we were up here that we could very likely come down and retest the top of this trend line to confirm the breakout before breaking to the upside further, right? That's a very common thing when you break out of a falling wedge pattern. It's very common to come back down and retest the top of the trend line to confirm the breakout first and then go, right? So that's kind of what it looks like we're going to do. We'll probably come down a little bit further to retest that trend line for the confirmation and then the breakout. Like I said, guys, we've watched this golden cross for weeks now. It has finally taken place, so we're waiting on that to play out. I get the hiccups all of a sudden. Unbelievable, right? So yeah, so we're waiting on that to play out, guys. If we go down to the 4-hour, we're holding support just above the 30-day SMA on the 4-hour. We fell below the 200-day SMA here. We tried to hold it as support. We did, and then we finally fell below it. So now we're below it. See if we can get back up over top of it here on the 4-hour time frame. RSI is creeping into the oversold, which is good. Still a little bit in neutral, but getting close to that oversold level, which is what you want to see, right? That's what you want to see. And yeah, so things are just, we were up here ping-ponging yesterday, and we've fallen to the downside like we figured we would. Like I said, we're probably going to test this trend line here, guys. We're probably going to test this trend line to confirm the breakout. So pay attention to that. Going over to Bitcoin. All right. So Bitcoin, we hit the 100K level, rejected off of it fairly violently, as you can see. Pretty harsh rejection. We rejected from the 100K all the way down to 95,200. And we've worked our way back up to 96,000. Told you guys, if we want to see further continuation to the upside, when this was happening, I told you guys that this was going to happen. If we didn't continue to break, like if we didn't break over 100K, we need to we need to, one, start closing daily candles above 98,600 and weekly candles as well. Two, then we need to work our way up and start closing daily and weekly candles above $101,000, which we can't even break 100 right now, right? Then we need to work our way up and close candles over 103, working our way up to start closing above this all-time high here. Well, in terms of the full body candle body at 106,100. We need to close above there, because anything that we're setting below this level is just a higher low, or a lower high. I mean, sorry. So that's what we need to do here, guys. But it looks as though Bitcoin could be stuck in a range for a little while, right? We may range on Bitcoin for a little while. We may see altcoins start to run as a result. Let's go have a quick look over at the Bitcoin dominance. All right, so looking over at the Bitcoin dominance, we had a little bit of a pullback over the last 3 days on the dominance, but it's starting to run upwards again today. Kind of a weird little, if we're kind of mirroring what we did here. See, we pumped up for a few days, and we pulled back for 2 days, and we pumped up, and we pulled back for a couple of days, and now we're starting to pull up again. I don't think Bitcoin dominance has really hit its all-time high for this market cycle, to be honest. I think we're going to break higher than this at some point, but just one more thing we have to pay attention to. If you watched the live stream last night, guys, I showed you guys on the charts where I think altcoin season is going to start and why I think it's going to start there. So definitely go watch the live stream from last night if you missed it, because it is absolute alpha that's being dropped over there. So Hara tweeted out the Junction, the My Node is officially live. So operating nodes is now officially live over on Junction, guys. If you want to know how to do this, guys, we are actually putting together right now a video on how to go about this, how to operate nodes with JASMY and Junction. We will be uploading it exclusively for the Patreon members and the YouTube members. So we will be uploading that, just like we did last about a week or so ago. We provided a different project's node operations over there as well. It was an opportunity there. So if you want to make passive income, guys, like that, and learning how to operate nodes and stuff, getting paid in JASMY coin, got to get over to the Patreon, guys, right? Got to get over to the Patreon. The link is in the description. So Hara retweeted it out. I will be putting something together with greater detail very, very soon. So what do we have here? So Max Loves Dog says, Korea investing in the JASMY, it's only 4 cents right now. They buy a lot. So this place here, Korea is investing in JASMY. They know soon it will be $5 and more. It was $5, my friend. In Korea, they toked. They know JASMY is they're stoked, maybe he meant. So yeah, so they're buying up. Apparently, JASMY is being purchased in Korea, South Korea. We know that JASMY got listed on Upbit, which is the largest centralized exchange in South Korea. Over 9 million users over there. So apparently JASMY is getting purchased over there. Pretty big. Pretty big, guys. Very bigly. All right, 8-cent JASMY price set for a trend target pump as analyst highlights the altcoin's breakout pattern. Bitcoin settles back to the $98,000 price range after fluctuating over $100,000 following a big dip to the $92,000 price level, as analysts expect a major turnaround for the price of Bitcoin in the coming days. Some shift their sights towards altcoins and the highly bullish potential for exponential pumps this bull cycle. In particular, for Bitcoin, analysts remain certain of a major price pump to $125,000 to $135,000 before the asset breaks through $150,000 to $200,000. Yeah, no kidding. It's got to break 125 before, and 125 to 135 before it breaks 150. No kidding. You don't say. In the coming new years, similarly, altcoins are also showing highly promising signs. Significantly, specifically, altcoins showing high potential for major rallies are taking the spotlight. As per Javin Marks, he says, we saw JASMY do a 20x during what can be considered a lesser performative state of altcoins. A higher performing state of altcoins can be coming and increasing heavily soon, if not already in effect. Imagine. So far, altcoins like SUI and Ondo have already set new all-time highs, while altcoins like VET, Doge, SHIB, ADA, and XRP have pumped in price and continue to show strong signs for greater price surges ahead. As we can see from the post above, one such bullish altcoin is JASMY. Crypto Front says, breaking JASMY is breaking out. I look forward to the 8 cent and beyond. The analyst believes that a pump of over 20x is in store for JASMY's price. He says, if a new altcoin like JASMY we'll see pumps like this, more renowned altcoins will go much higher. Adding to the bullish momentum, another analyst highlights how JASMY's price is breaking out and expects a price of 8 cents for JASMY very, very soon. So guys, it is only a matter of time before we finally smash through that 7 to 8 cent level. It is coming. Before you know it, you're going to be looking back. And I'm going to be reading in the live stream chats people saying, I should have bought more JASMY. Do you think JASMY's going to pull back down to 2 to 3 cents so I can buy more? Buy it now, right? Don't wait. Don't wait to complain later, guys. I mean, not financial advice. You do you, boo-boo. But anyway, guys, listen, if you're new to crypto, if you've never been through an altcoin season before, guys, there is no shame in having your hand held by a community of people who've been through multiple altcoin seasons that can help you attain the life-changing wealth that you're striving for, right? Do not try to navigate this altcoin season by yourself. There is a reason that 90 to 95% of people in crypto do not make money or barely break even. It is because they don't know what they're doing, right? They figure they can wing it. They figure they got it all under control. And then all of a sudden you start getting blindsided. Exchanges are shutting you're freezing your account so you can't take profits. Banks are seizing your assets because you're transferring large amounts of money over without any sort of a heads up or any kind of idea how to work with the banks on that. They're labeling it suspicious activity. You don't know whether you're selling too low. You don't know whether you're holding too long and selling, and then you're going to end up holding through another bear market. Why put yourself through all of that by yourself when we have a community of hundreds of people who've been through multiple altcoin seasons that are just sitting here waiting to help you? You can join our group video calls that we do every single evening, and we can walk you through everything you need. A lot of people will sit back that are beginners, and they'll just listen to a lot of us veterans in the space just kind of talk about where we see the market going and stuff like that. And they just sit there and they take notes. Sometimes they chime in with a question and we answer it for them right away. Well, we're very, very helpful. It's an amazing community, guys. Add your voice to our own. Join our community. Schedule your one-on-one coaching sessions with me over there as well. You get opportunities at swing trades, microcap gems, node operations, right? We do exclusive content for passive income like operating nodes, DeFi staking for massive APR, and so much more, guys. So get over to the Patreon. The link is down below. Again, click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.